Hey everyone, Sean Bramborough here. And listen, before we get started, I want to talk about something really important to me. Dyslexia. It's something I've lived with my whole life, and for a long time it felt like this thing I had to hide, like a weakness. But you know what? I'm done with that. Dyslexia isn't your weakness, it's your edge. See, when we start looking at dyslexia differently, not as a barrier but as a different way of thinking, that's when amazing things happen. Our brains are wired for creativity, for problem solving, for seeing the world from a different angle. That's a superpower. And in the workplace, that superpower can make all the difference. So, if you're someone with dyslexia, or you know someone who is, this video is for you. We're gonna dive into 10 practical strategies you can use to not just survive, but thrive at work. We're talking tools, techniques, and a whole lot of encouragement. Let's do this. Reading. It's how we absorb information, but for us, it can sometimes feel like trying to sprint through quicksand, am I right? But here's the thing, we don't have to let reading slow us down. Text-to-speech tools are a game changer. We're talking apps like Speechify, Natural Reader, Read and Write. They can read anything out loud, documents, emails, even web pages. Think about it. You can listen while you commute, while you exercise, even while you're making dinner. Multitasking? We're built for it. It's like having a personal assistant reading to you, freeing up your brain to focus on the bigger picture, to analyze, to strategize. Don't let anyone tell you that's not efficient. We all know the feeling. You've got a head full of ideas, but getting them down on paper, it's like trying to catch lightning in a bottle. Typing can feel clunky, frustrating. But what if you could just talk to your computer? Well, guess what? You can. Voice dictation is our secret weapon. Google voice typing, Dragon naturally speaking, even the voice input on your phone. These tools let you speak your thoughts and watch them magically appear on the screen. No more wrestling with spelling, no more staring at a blinking cursor, just pure unfiltered creativity flowing from your brain to the page. Time management. It's a challenge for everyone, but for us it can feel like trying to solve a puzzle where the pieces keep changing shape. But what if we could actually see time? Make it visual, make it clear, make it work for us. That's where color-coded calendars come in. Think Google Calendar, Trello, any digital calendar you love. Assign a specific color to each type of task. Meetings in blue, deadlines in red, personal appointments in green. Suddenly your week isn't a jumbled mess of appointments, it's a vibrant map guiding you through your day with clarity and purpose. Traditional to-do lists? They're linear, they're rigid, and let's be honest, they can feel suffocating. Our brains don't work in straight lines, they thrive on connections, on visuals, on freedom. That's where mind mapping comes in. It's like taking a giant breath of fresh air for your brain. Apps like Xmind, MindMeister, even good old-fashioned sticky notes on a wall. They let you map out your thoughts in a way that makes sense to you. Connect ideas, branch out, explore different paths. It's not about checking boxes, it's about unleashing the full potential of your unique way of thinking. We've all experienced it, staring at a page of text, letters blurring together, words swimming before our eyes. Frustrating? Absolutely. But there's a simple solution most people don't even realize exists. Fonts. Yes, fonts matter. Switching to dyslexia-friendly fonts like Open Dyslexic, Lexend, or Arial Rounded can make a world of difference. These fonts are specifically designed to reduce letter confusion and make text more readable. They're like giving your eyes a break, a chance to relax and absorb the information without the usual struggle. It might seem like a small change, but trust me, the impact is huge. We've all been there, staring down a massive task, feeling overwhelmed before we even begin. It's easy to get discouraged, to feel like we're not cut out for this. But here's the secret. We don't have to tackle the whole mountain at once. We just need to start with one step. Break down those intimidating tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks. Then set a timer 25 minutes on, 5 minutes off. That's the Pomodoro technique, and it's a lifesaver. Apps like Focus Keeper or Tomato Timer can help. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter, leveraging those bursts of intense focus that we excel at. Editing, proofreading. It can feel like navigating a minefield of potential mistakes. But here's the thing, we don't have to do it alone. We live in a world with incredible AI tools like Grammarly, Microsoft Editor, even the Hemingway app. These tools are like having a personal editor on call 24/7, catching those pesky spelling errors, grammar issues, and even awkward phrasing. They're not about replacing our voice, they're about empowering it, giving us the confidence to share our ideas without the fear of judgment. Meetings, they're essential, but they can also be a whirlwind of information. It's easy to miss key points, especially when we're processing information differently. But what if we could hit rewind? Well, now we can. Tools like Otter.ai Caminata, even Zoom's built-in transcript feature, let you record meetings and revisit them later. Take notes at your own pace. Listen to specific sections again. Make sure you haven't missed a single detail. It's like having a superpower that levels the playing field, ensuring we're always in the loop. Here's a truth many of us need to hear. Asking for help is not a sign of weakness, it's a sign of strength. It takes courage to advocate for our needs, to create a work environment where we can truly thrive. Under the ADA, we have the right to request workplace accommodations, extra time on projects, screen readers, flexible communication styles. These are not favors, they're our rights. So speak up, talk to your HR department, have open conversations with your manager. Your voice matters, and you deserve to work in an environment that supports your unique brilliance. Here's the most important message I want to leave you with. Dyslexia is not something to be fixed, it's something to be celebrated. We don't need to fit into a box, we need to break the mold. Our creative thinking, our problem-solving skills, our resilience, these are assets, not liabilities. So let's own our stories, let's celebrate our neurodiversity. Let's show the world what we're capable of when we embrace our unique way of seeing the world. So there you have it, folks. 10 strategies to help you not just survive, but thrive in the workplace. Remember, dyslexia isn't a flaw, it's a feature. And when you lean into it, you lead with it. Share these strategies with your friends, family, colleagues, anyone who might benefit. Let's build a world where neurodiversity is celebrated, where everyone feels empowered to bring their full, authentic selves to work. And hey, if you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and share it with your team. Let's keep breaking down barriers one strategy at a time.